Oh my God. So I went to Murphy's. I had to cool off. Temper, cool off. I took the dogs for a walk. They've been pissed. They've done everything. Go to the gas station. Go in to pay. I come back. My fucking Bruno's trying to attack a German Shepherd through the window. Raising hell, cane, crazy shit. Screaming. When he does that, he gets excited. And he pisses somewhere in the truck. I get in the truck after fueling up, and I found it. He pissed up in the back seat, behind the back seat, on the floor mat, but he pissed in my truck. So I cleaned it up. Then I head up to Welch Road, nice little spot, set up the trailer, got the leveling jacks out and everything. Well, the dogs found the shit pit. And they're over there eating shit out of the shit pit that's not buried. So I roll up, damn near ready to kill these two motherfuckers. But I didn't. I moved. I came back to Welch Road where I had gone on the north side because the people up here take care of stuff, kind of, I guess. But these dogs, my God, if I didn't love them. If you see headpieces and paws on a plaque hung on the wall, you'll know why. Good God, you two. You piss me off. Both of you. You guys take care.